11 Health benefits of beet juice. Among other things, beet juice has ingredients like antioxidants and electrolytes that may help with brain and cardiovascular health. Most people either adore or detest the bulbous, sweet root vegetable known as the beet. Although it is not brand new, in the last 10 or so years, it has gained popularity as a superfood. According to research, consuming beet juice, also known as beetroot juice, may be healthy. This is how. Number 1. Lowers blood pressure assistance. Drinking beet juice could help decrease blood pressure. A meta-analysis for 2022 nitrates from beetroot juice have been shown to reduce systolic blood pressure in persons with hypertension, according to trusted source. Beet juice contains substances called nitrates, which the body uses to produce nitric oxide, which helps relax and dilate blood vessels. Number 2. Boosts endurance for exercising. Beet juice consumption may raise plasma nitrate levels and improve athletic performance. A 2017 research overview according to trusted source, consuming beetroot juice for a prolonged period of time, 6 to 7 days, may have the following advantages. Boosting efficiency in time trials. Lengthening the time it takes to become exhausted. Enhance one's cardiorespiratory capacity. The researchers did point out that consuming beetroot juice along with coffee could lessen the advantages, though. Beet juice consumption may raise plasma nitrate levels and improve athletic performance. A 2017 research overview according to trusted source, consuming beetroot juice for a prolonged period of time, 6 to 7 days, may have the following advantages. Boosting efficiency in time trials. Lengthening the time it takes to become exhausted. Enhance one's cardiorespiratory capacity. The researchers did point out that consuming beetroot juice along with coffee could lessen the advantages, though. The 3rd of May help heart failure patients with their muscle power. Exercise tolerance in older persons with heart failure may be improved by taking 70 milliliters, 1/3 cup, of beetroot juice every day for 1 week, according to the findings of a 2016 study trusted source. The participants' endurance during aerobic activity increased by 24%, according to the study. Number 4. Aids in keeping you at a healthy weight. Beet juice in its purest form has very little fat and few calories. It's a fantastic choice for your smoothie in the morning. It will provide you with an energy and nutrient boost as you begin your day. It is high in natural sugars, though. Number 5. Could stave off cancer. Betalains are water-soluble antioxidants that give beets their deep red color. It also includes additional polyphenolic chemicals and flavonoids from trusted source, which may have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities. When free radicals or unstable molecules accumulate in the body, they can cause inflammation and raise the risk of cancer. Antioxidants such as betalains may be able to locate and eliminate these molecules. The 6th of May support health while on chemotherapy. Other research trusted source suggests that beetroot juice has potential chemoprotective properties. This means it may help reduce side effects and damage to the body caused by chemotherapy. This can include fatigue. However, the authors of the review note that additional research is needed, particularly to see if beetroot juice may interact with chemotherapy and other medications. Number 7. A good potassium source. Potassium, a mineral and electrolyte that supports healthy nerve and muscle function, may be found in beets. Moderate use of beet juice can help maintain healthy potassium levels. A low potassium level can lead to weakness, exhaustion, and cramping in the muscles. Extremely low potassium levels might cause dangerously irregular heartbeats. Overly elevated potassium levels can cause similar symptoms and could be fatal. Before frequently eating beet juice, those with end-stage renal disease and chronic kidney disease should consult a healthcare provider as they may need to follow a low potassium diet. Number 8. Reliability of additional minerals. Without necessary minerals, your body cannot operate as it should. While certain minerals maintain strong bones and teeth, others strengthen your immune system. In addition to potassium, beet juice offers reliable source: metal, manganese and magnesium, zinc, sodium, copper and zinc. Number 9. A good place to get folate. A B vitamin called folate aids in the prevention of neural tube abnormalities such spinal bifida and anencephaly. It might also lessen your chance of giving birth to a premature child. A good source of folate is beet juice. Increasing the quantity of folate in your diet can help you meet the daily recommended intake of 600 micrograms if you are pregnant. Reliable source for expectant mothers. Number 10 aids in liver support. Animal studies suggest that the antioxidant betaine may help prevent or lessen fatty deposits in the liver. Trusted source. Although further research is required, betaine may also aid in shielding your liver from pollutants. Trusted source. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is a disorder that can result from fatty deposits in the liver because of a bad diet, drinking too much alcohol, exposure to harmful chemicals, sedentary way of living. Number 11 could lower cholesterol. If your cholesterol is elevated, you might want to include beet juice in your diet. Beetroot juice's betaine may have the ability to reduce LDL, or bad, cholesterol. A review for 2020 several research were referenced by trusted source to suggest that beetroot juice may be advantageous for both LDL and HDL, or good, cholesterol. Beetroot's phytonutrients, notably flavonoids, are thought to be the reason behind its potential to decrease cholesterol, according to researchers. Take care. After consuming beets, you may get crimson or pinkish urine and feces. Beeturia is the term for this benign disorder. If you're not expecting it, though, it might surprise you. Regularly consuming beet juice may raise the chance of dangerously low blood pressure in those who already have it. Pay close attention to your blood pressure. Beet juice may need to be avoided if kidney stones caused by calcium oxalate are a problem for you. Oxalates, which are organic compounds that precipitate as crystals in your urine, are abundant in beet's. Trusted source. They might bring stones.